Basta natawag ako, tulungan mo ko.
Jeffrey Soriano, you may begin
Yes.
reciting Lincoln's Gettysburg Address from memory.
Ako, sinasabi ko na eh. Einstein, eto na. Game na.
Anong game? Anong gagawin ko?
Madali lang. Basta tinasite mo, ililipsing ko. Einstein, simulan mo na.
7 years ago, our fathers brought forth to this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. We are engaged in a great... Aray! Nampucha ka naman, oh.
Sorry. Go ahead. Continue.
Einstein, continue raw.
Now, we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation, or any nation so conceived and so dedicated,
Mr. Einstein, why are you covering your mouth? Put down your hand. Jeffrey Soriano, all right. Go ahead, continue.